Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you currently living in Alabama and love bird songs, bird watching, or everything about birds, and currently looking for a bird book that focuses on birds? If you're from Alabama and currently looking for a very informative field guide, then the Birds Alabama Field Guide will be the perfect product for you. This field guide is prepared by Stantikela and is a great companion to the Birds of Alabama audio CDs. This item offers full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. This field guide is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds in the state of Arizona. Both kids and adults will find that this field guide is a real pleasure to read. This is ideal for bird lovers, animal lovers, kids, adults, library, or for collection. But the awesome features don't end there. This item has an easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. Let your children know the beauty of nature, especially birds. Grab the Birds Alabama Field Guide today at a very affordable price. We assure you that you and your kid will love the information in this field guide. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.